The official ranking of the top 10 fastest fighter jets in the world for 2026. 10. Gripen fighter jet. Country of origin, Sweden. Speed, Mach 2, around 2,100 kilometers per hour. 9. Eurofighter Typhoon. Country of origin, joint European production. Speed, Mach 2, around 2,495 kilometers per hour. 8. J-20. Country of origin, China. Speed, Mach 2.2, around 2,470 kilometers per hour. 7. Sukhoi Su-57. Country of origin, Russia. Speed, Mach 2, around 2,135 to 2,600 kilometers per hour, depending on the engine type. 6. Sukhoi Su-35. Country of origin, Russia. Speed, Mach 2.2, around 2,400 kilometers per hour. 5. F-22 Raptor. Country of origin, United States. Speed, Mach 2.2, around 2,410 kilometers per hour. 4. MiG-29. Country of origin, Russia. Speed, Mach 2.3, around 2,450 kilometers per hour. 3. Sukhoi Su-27. Country of origin, Russia. Speed, Mach 2.3, around 2,500 kilometers per hour. 2. F-15 Eagle. Country of origin, United States. Speed, Mach 2.5, around 2,655 kilometers per hour. And in first place, without a doubt, the MiG-31. Country of origin, Russia. Speed, a beast that breaks the Mach 2.8 barrier, around 3,000 kilometers per hour. In the end, which one of these aircraft is your favorite? Write it in the comments and subscribe for more.